In Scenario 9, we will present our enhanced investigation workflow, focusing on the user experience. The user experience of the SOC analyst is our primary focus, realized through our modern, dynamic web-based user interface, ArcSight Fusion. In this demo, we shall briefly showcase our intuitive dashboards with some of the more useful time-saving features, Fusion, our common UI shared across all ArcSight components, our simple-to-use and fast search query support, as well as some special MITE ATT&CK visualizations. Starting with our extensive range of out-of-the-box dashboards and reports, let's see how easily we could focus the attention to a specific entity of interest by leveraging the cross-filtering feature. Here, we'll use one of our standard GDPR use cases. We observe China as one of the top destinations for traffic flow to outside the EU region. We'd now like to see how our chosen entity is reflected across the other dashboards in this report, and so we use the brush or cross-filtering tool from the available options. Having selected our chosen country in the world map, we can rapidly focus all the other dashboards to the same entity using the brush or cross-filtering tool, much like the format painter found in common Office applications. Simple and easily reversible. Another common challenge during investigation is how auto-scale charts can inadvertently mask the entity of interest due to outliers in the dataset. By clicking the Exclude Data button, we can selectively hide certain entries to allow the remaining entities to surface as the chart automatically rescales. That's more like it. Now, let's combine our rescale chart with the cross-filtering feature to further reveal the relative significance of our chosen entity across the remaining visualizations, surfacing previously hidden patterns. With just 2 mouse operations, we have isolated the root cause from an otherwise opaque dataset. A painful and all too common activity for the analyst is the need to swivel chair between diverse tools, each with its own idiosyncratic UI and learning curve. Fusion UI has been designed to break that cycle and bring all the ArcSight functionality together in a single pane of glass with a common and intuitive learn once, use many interface. From the same top-level menu, the analyst can sweep between the different analytic layers of the solution, here reviewing the top riskiest entities within our UEBA solution and drilling into the activity timeline for a suspicious user to swiftly visualize or export the evidence that has triggered the machine learning assessment. The Dashboard tab, available across the full range of components, takes us back to the main dashboard, and now we switch context to the ArcSight source solution, where we record the findings found through machine learning, attaching the exported evidence to a related security incident or case, all ready for handover between incident responders. Our SOAR component provides many features to enable effective collaboration between team members. Here we can use case tagging and also detailed case reports to share information between the respective analysts. Now we'll look at our search and hunt capabilities that provide rapid investigation workflow. The context-sensitive auto-suggestion query editor allows sophisticated search query development with fast results populating the active table and timeline panes. Search results can be rapidly refined through simple mouse actions on the event timeline, as well as drill down from column headings, providing instant top X views. Full event details are always available, regardless of the field set currently tabulated. From here, the analyst can pivot straight into third-party sites and tools for the all-important additional context. Searches can be named and saved for later review, or handed off to other team members, whilst the same search can be set to run on a flexible schedule. Nothing remains static in the analyst's typical workflow, and leveraging previously refined search queries for adaptation to a similar but new use case provides further time saving and standardization. Customizing saved searches is trivial with the ArcSight search component. Finally, let's recap on ArcSight's MITE ATT&CK visualizations, covered in more detail in demos 1 and 15. Out-of-the-box dashboards and visualizations adapted to each persona within the SOC ensure that the most meaningful MITRE-based threat intel is presented according to role, all from within the same unified Fusion user interface. This ends Demo 9.